TikTok has become a social media powerhouse, attracting a massive user base and high engagement. Here's some key statistics to chew on. Users. Over 1.5 billion monthly active users. That's a huge chunk of the global internet population scrolling through short-form videos. Global reach. The US has the most users, 148 million. But TikTok boasts significant followings worldwide. Gen Z favorite. Gen Z makes up a dominant portion of TikTok users, with a larger representation compared to Instagram. Downloads and growth. Massive downloads. Over 4.1 billion downloads have been recorded to date. Source: Backlinko. Top downloaded app. Though its launch was recent 2016, TikTok was the most downloaded app globally in 2020. Engagement and revenue. High engagement. Millennials on TikTok are more likely to create content and tag brands compared to other platforms. Influencing purchases. TikTok users are more likely to buy new tech products and order food deliveries after seeing them advertised. Monetization muscle. TikTok raked in an estimated $16.1 billion in revenue in 2023, showcasing its financial power.